Welcome back, vocabulary champions. Today, 13 of the 100 Days Vocabulary Challenge. Yesterday, we mastered the sharp beating power of the word caustic. Today, we pivot to a very different kind of vulnerability the tendency to believe things too easily. In our modern age, where information and misinformation flows constantly, this word has become more relevant than ever. It describes a key trait in human nature and one that can lead to being misled or taken advantage of. By understanding and using this word, you can communicate a lack of critical thinking in others with precision and insight, which is essential for analytical conversation. So, let's explore the danger of being too trusting and equip ourselves with the perfect adjective to describe it. Our word of the day 13 is credulous. It's an adjective and it immediately brings to mind someone who approaches the world with an open, perhaps too open mind. The word describes a person who is expansionary, quick to accept an idea or claim without demanding sufficient proof. They often lack the healthy skepticism necessary to distinguish fact from fiction. If you have ever had a friend who falls for every internet hoax or believes every promise made by a dubious source, you have the perfect person to attach this word to. This word is a vital tool for describing naivete and an unfortunate susceptibility to manipulation. The formal definition of credulous is having or showing too great readiness to believe things, easily convinced. The operative phrase here is too great readiness. It's not about having faith, it's about lacking caution. Simply put, someone who is credulous is gullible. They are too trusting and don't require much proof before they accept something as true. The word is generally used in a slightly negative or critical way, suggesting a lack of wisdom or experience. Look at this example. Sentence to grab it context. The scam artist preyed on the credulous elder man, convincing him his computer was infected with virus. This sentence immediately identifies the victim's vulnerability as the reason they were targeted. This demonstrates how credulous pinpoints the exact character flaw that leads to deception. The root of the credulous is one you already know. It comes from the Latin word credere, which means to believe or to trust. This Latin root is foundation for many English words, including credible, meaning believable, or credit, means trust in a financial or academic context. The nuance for credulous is that it specifically highlights the expensive nature of that trust. While credible is positive, credulous carries a negative connotation. It is used to criticize a deficiency in skepticism or critical thinking, implying foolishness and naivete rather than simple innocence. Excellent synonym for credulous include gullible, naive, and unsuspecting. Use this word whenever you want to express a genuine concern about someone, willingness to be easily taken in. Guys, it's time for you for Day 13 challenge. You have learned the meaning and the tone of credulous. Now, let's make it a part of your activity vocabulary. Your task is to use the word credulous in an original sentence. Focus your description on a person or perhaps a group that expect information too easily without properly questioning into. You could describe a person who believes outlandish roamers, or an inventor who falls for great rich quick schemes. Remember, the best way to master a word is to apply it to your word. Share your sentence in the comment below. You are nearly halfway through week 2. Keep this phenomenal learning streak alive, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 14. Till then, guys, if today's word credulous opened your eyes to the powerful skepticism, don't keep that inside to yourself. Like this video to show your support, share it with someone who needs a vocabulary boost, and subscribe to stay on track with our 100 days challenge. Every click helps grow this learning community, and your comment keep the energy alive. So drop your day 13 sentence below, and let's keep building brilliance together. See you guys for day 14, and thank you so much. Jai Hind.